Welcome Year 4s to Thursday's maths lesson. So this is division using the bus stop method with remainders. So it's getting very exciting now. Are you ready, Miss Miskin?
Ready, it's a bit tricky. So question 1 is 32 divided by 2. So we have our 32, our 3 tens and our 2 ones. We're trying to break them down into 2 groups. Okay, so we always start with our highest value, that's our tens. So 1 there, 1 there, and we've got 1 left over. We can't split that between our 2 equal groups, so that's where we have to carry it over. So into our 3 we can have 1 in each equal group. However, then we still have got 1 10 left over, so we have to carry that over. So then that goes with that. So you've got a separate group there which represents our 12 ones. Now again, we could exchange our 10 for 10 ones, but that would take a long time. So let's just use our timetables instead. So counting our 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Go 2s into 12 goes 6 times. Then that has been split between our 2 groups. So 32 divided by 2 is 16.
Oh, so if you'd exchange, you would have 6 in each group.
Yes, you would.
Excellent. Thank you, Miss Miskin.
Question 2, 78 divided by 6. We've got a bus stop here and our place value counters. So we've got 7 tens and 8 ones. So we're going to start with our tens. We are going to share them out into our 6 groups. So 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got the same problem. Okay, we've got our 10 again that we cannot share equally between our groups. So that is going to become a part of this separate group. So in our 7 tens, we could share them out and have one group of 10 in each, and we have to carry 1 10 over to make this 18. We need to use our times tables again. So we're going to count in our 6s up to 18. 6, 12, 18. So 1, 2, 3. So our 3 goes there. If we were to exchange our 10s for 10 ones and then we split them between our 6 equal groups, there would be 3 counters in each group. Okay, so 78 divided by 6 equals 13. Question 3, 95 divided by 5. So we start with our 10s and we need to split our 9 tens between our 5 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3. See if you can think about what do you think the problem is going to be. So we've got 1 10 in each group. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens left. Now that will not split equally between my 5 groups. So we need to carry that over to our ones, so that will be our next group. So in each group we have 1 10 equally, and then we need to carry over 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So we are carrying over 4 tens. So we now have 45. So we need to use our times tables to work out 45 divided by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So how many times does 5 go into 45? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that goes 9 times. So overall, if we again exchange these, in each group we would have 9 ones. But we can do it quicker and easier with our times tables. So 95 divided by 5 is 19. Question for 37 divided by 3. So, again, we always start with our highest value, that is our tens. We need to split it into our 3 equal groups. So, start here. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. So, in each group, we have 1 10. Nice and easy. So then we start with our 1. So we have 7 ones. We need to split that between our 3 groups equally. So 1, 2, 3. Another one there. Another one there. And another one there. And we have 1, 1 on its own. So in one group we have 2 ones. So that 2 will go above there because we've got 2 ones in each equal group. However, we've still got 1 counter on its own. So that will come over here. That cannot be split into any of our equal groups. So that is a remainder. Okay, so it is remaining from our number. So we write it like this, a little r and a 1. So it's 37 divided by 3 is 12, remainder 1. Question 5, 66 divided by 4. So we have a bus stop method and our place value counters. We are sharing our 66 between our 4 groups. So we start with our tens. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we've got 2 tens left and they will not share between our 4 equal groups. So in each group we have got 1 tens and we need to carry over 2 tens. So we now have 26. Okay, and we could exchange our 2 tens for 21s, but we're going to do the same as we've done before. We're going to use our times tables because that is a quicker method to do it. So we're going to count in our 4s. 4, 8, 16, 20 and 24.
Oh,
Now-
Miss Risky and missed one.
Oh,
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12, sorry. 12 goes in there. Thank you, Mrs. Hayes, for checking my timetables.
It's okay,
So-
it's keeping me on my toes.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. We can't make 26 in the 4 times tables. Okay, so if I added another 4 on, it would make 28. So 26 is in the middle of those ones. Okay, so how many times does 4 go into 26? Well, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it goes 6 times, and then I've still got 2 ones remaining. So here I have 24, which is what we can make up to with our 4 times tables. Then I have 2 ones remaining. So that will be remainder 2, because the difference between 24 and 26 is 2. So 66 divided by 4 is 16, remainder 2.
Excellent. Right, good luck, Year 4s. We know this is a challenge, but we think you can do it. Enjoy.